Ladies and gents, welcome back to the channel. We are currently in the back of the Focus, as you can see. And the reason is because it's super duper bright today and we've got a lot of stuff to get on with. So I've had like the worst couple of weeks with the Focus. I've driven into curbs, I've damaged stuff, I've curbed wheels, I've literally damaged the thing so much. But in this video, we're gonna sort everything, including one long-term problem, which I'm excited about. So hopefully gonna be a productive day. I've got plenty of footage for you guys from when we've been fixing other problems, which I'm just going to slot into this video. So this video is all about fixing the Focus. So I do apologize, little Focus. I've been awful to you, but I'll fix you. Anyway, the first thing on the list, I'm going to show you what damage I've caused so far. Not as bad as probably what it sounds like, but it is still pretty bad. And we're going to have to replace some parts. And hopefully it's not too much of a pain. One of the things is the side skirt. So if we hop out, the first bit of damage, as you can see, is the side skirt. You might be thinking, oh, it's just a little scratch. Well, one, it goes all the way up. And two, I actually ripped it off. I've reattached it now, obviously, but it was fully hanging off. And the way I did that is I went over a curb. Luckily, I didn't curb this wheel. But I went over a curb and the curb just basically pushed it down and ripped it off. It's not too bad. There's a few scratches on the side skirt underneath. I can't get low enough, but we'll be replacing that today. Second bit of damage, see, is here on this, well, I'll just break it even more so you can definitely see it. But this is when Em was driving the car and she accidentally hit a curb. So, yeah, we're gonna have to replace that. I've also got a replacement for, but definitely need to replace this. It's cracked there and cracked on the other side. And finally on this side, if you can see it, I don't even think you can see it. It might be tucked up, but I curbed the wheel driving up a curb. So all of that needs to be sorted today, and hopefully we can get around to cleaning it and take some pictures. As you can see, my wheel is meant to be silver and it's not. All the other ones are obviously not that bad, but this one is pretty like terrible. So I've rebuilt this caliper multiple times, taken it all apart, re-greased it and put new stuff in it, and it's still binding. So I have got all the equipment and a new caliper, which I hope looks about right. So I'm hoping this will fix the issue. So yeah, we got brake caliper, we got tooling, more tooling, and this, and I got another one of these if it's not too much. Well, it's not enough, sorry. Let's get going. Quick shout out to this little beast. Oh my lord, look at this. RS220, hit it out. Yeah, I like that. Right, back to this. I'm just excited to not have to clean this wheel as much anymore.
Yeah.
I should probably chop the front wheels. I've got it in reverse. Look at that. Yeah. How's that for max extension on the shock? Bang, bitch. Oh, the amount of brake dust. Just look at the state of this. This is the caliper that's problematic. I'll take the handbrake off. Take the handbrake off. How stiff that is. Compared to the other side, which rolls on forever. So hopefully this will be nice and easy. Stuck in here last time. Get off. Oh. So this clip here is stuck on. I have no idea I'm gonna get that out. We'll figure that out in a minute. I could always borrow another one.
There you go.
Nice. And then that's the...
You clamp.
Yeah. So just push this in, and then the cable just slides out. We're gonna clamp this bit now, and then undo the nut on the other side, and that should be it. We should be able to get this caliper off. Try again. But yeah, this little retaining spring clip thing's stuck in there. Never used these before. Ah, that's cool. There you go. So it just clamps on and you pull this and hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll work. Right, let's go this side. Yeah, there you go.
You get the Mongo straight out and you're all good.
Of just crap. Don't want this on the thing. Over there. Me?
Yeah.
Oh, mate. Didn't even dribble. Look at the shiny knee. Wow. Just make sure it looks about the same.
Yeah.
My knees are killing me. There you go. Making this new caliper absolutely filthy. I do. Right. Ah. Right. Brake pads are going back in, my friends. The American side. Yeah. Handbrake cable. I just push it. Oh, fuck off. What? Bro, you got superhuman strength. The hell? Right.
You could bench more than me, Ross.
Oh, mate, yeah. You're stronger than me by a fucking mile, mate. I'm struggling. Yeah, bro.
Nah, Jordan, the one by
I was expecting the job to be a lot harder, to be honest. Waste my life away. Twisting metal. How does it even get this stuck? Well, probably from being very hot. Hey, she popped out. That'll do. Right, bleeding. What is it? Just pump the brakes, get some pressure, open it up until fluid comes through. It's a whole team effort. Look at this. We've got a workshop going on. There's a business going on here, boys. Yeah.
Okay, lift up slowly, yeah. Okay, lock it off, Ross.
Got fluid coming through. Oh my gosh, she's a squirter.
Okay, close it off.
Yeah, locked.
See how quick it is?
We got the professional expertise of Mr. Lord. Right, here we go. In the car we go. Oh. Okay, brakes. Shall I start the car? Yeah? Solid. Woohoo! Amazing. Spinning nicely now, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, mate. Yes. So I've just got this new camber, guys. You can see fitment's on point. Got to finish putting on the wheels, so might as well. Oh mate, it feels so much better. I've had this issue since I've had the car, but I've had the caliper apart a few times trying to rebuild it, and it's just been a nightmare. So once again, I wish I had my bloody ratchet. I need the calipers doing now. If anyone has any recommendations, let me know. Job's good then. Right, so here they all are. I've already pinstriped them, as you can see, so they don't come like this, but basically just cleaned it all off, applied the pinstripe and then heated up to make sure it's all set. But these are all ready to go on. Obviously this is backwards, this is for this side. I know how to take this side off. I'm not too sure how to take the front splitter off, but what I might do is just get the car on the ramp, just so I've got more room underneath. You need to access bolts underneath on the other side. You might be able to get your hand in and just tighten them up. And this side, the whole side's good, it's going to come off, but I've done it so many times, it shouldn't take that long. Right, on the ramps. Oh, it's battered. Right, I did actually get the jack out. I thought we'd need it, but this should be pretty simple. So if I show you under here, you can actually see the bolts. There's one under there. You can see the nut right on top, and you can see them all the way around. So theoretically, I'm going to try and get one of them out. I think I've got the right sizes. I thought we'd have to take like this under tray off, but it seems not. I probably should have fucking done an easier bolt, you know, one that I can actually see. Some long ass bolts. Right, one bolt out, and the nut is. Now that's going to be a bit of a pain to get back in, but not impossible. And it beats taking off this under tray. Nice, right. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more bolts to go. I don't know why I need that many. 4 on each side. Right, let's get cracking. And there we are. Yeah, you can see now it's pretty battered, crack there. Repairable if someone was that fussed, I guess. So I'll lie down and then I'll get some bolts in. Just make sure it doesn't scratch on the ground. So we're having a tan here, it's great. You got tiny fingers. This is gonna piss me off, I can't get it in. Transmitter is on. Never again. The worst job ever. Hands are absolutely fried. Knuckles probably broken. She's on nonetheless. So let's tackle the side skirt now. Now we did this not that long ago, so I'm probably going to roll the car off the ramp and then just whip the old side skirt off, get the new one on. Shouldn't be too bad, I don't think. Right, these are just as much of a pain, purely because the car's low and I can't see anything. Right, there's one clip, and there's fucking loads. There's two. There's three. There's four. There's five. Now it's all about try to do this bit in the shade, but essentially there's a few bolts undo, swap them over and job's good. Got to put it back on now. It's so much easier than the front. Should be back to normal. The one thing I have noticed though, the pinstripe I've used on the front and the sides is different to what I've used previously on the back and the sides, but I think the back is nice. If you go any thicker on the back it looks weird, so what I might do just to match it up is change this side to the thicker one, just redo it, and then the front and the sides match, and then this looks good. That matches the windows, and I think the sun strip is the thicker one. Yeah, so that is thicker obviously. Depends where you put the pinstripe on the car, but I think it looks better with thicker pinstriping on the sides and the front, so I'm gonna just do it on the other side when everything's done. I'm literally sweating. Wow. Here she is, all damaged. God, it looks so good. Right, I've just flipped the car around, but you can see the size difference here. I think it's like 6mm on here and 8mm on here, but I just had a look and I definitely want to change that side, so I'm gonna let this sit in the sun for a bit to warm up, peel this all off, redo it, and then we are done. Right, all done. The sun is so hot today. I think it's the hottest day of the year, but mission accomplished. See, all done. All the side skirts done and everything. I'm absolutely cream crackered now. Boiling hot, probably sunburnt. Never want to do that job again, but it's done. Oh my lord. Right, we're in the passenger seat now. I'm boiling hot. And we've had a successful day today, and obviously the previous day when we changed out the brake caliper and obviously tried to install the mods. But I hope you guys enjoyed all that content. It's just bits and bobs. It's not much, like, not many big things to do on the Focus. But when there's bits and bobs, I like to film it and upload it when I possibly can. But I've got some sun tanning to do. The weather is absolutely phenomenal, and I'm definitely gonna go out and enjoy myself, probably get sunburned. But thank you guys all for watching. I really do appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button and the like button if you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.